What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote products on Digistore24 very easily and start making some extra money on Digistore24. So many people are using Digistore24 now because Clickbank is not available in our countries. I'm going to show you guys, if you are using Digistore24, how you can go and promote affiliate offers on Digistore24 and start earning some extra money online very fast. And this is 100% free, so I'm going to show you guys the free method you can go and use and get some sales on Digistore24 for 100% free on complete autopilot. So be sure to watch the video step by step to the end and go and take action on this method. You can go and start making some sales very fast on Digistore24. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to digistore24.com. You're going to go and click on register. It's going to enable you to go and sign up for a free account, so anybody can go and sign up for Digistore24 and promote affiliate products on Digistore24 and earn a lot of money very fast online. So once you sign up for a free Digistore24 account, what you can do is I can just go and log into your account and go and input your payment details on Digistore24, which is very easily. I can go and promote affiliate products on Digistore24 like this, as I'm going to show you guys in this video for 100% free. I can go and make some extra money very fast online. So the method I'm going to show you guys, can go and make up to $500 plus on Digistore24 with 100% free automated traffic right here. So go and make this money on complete autopilot right here. So I'm going to show you guys a huge free traffic source that can go and use and get a lot of targeted free traffic and make a lot of money, and this is newbie friendly, so anybody that's getting started to making money online can go and implement this tutorial and start making some extra money on Digistore24. So this is available worldwide. You can go and do this from anywhere around the world, and you also need only 30 minutes of work to go and do this. And this is a copy and paste method, so I'm going to show you guys right here. You can go and copy and paste and use this method and go and earn a lot of money very fast online. We're going to follow what I'm going to show you right here. So this is also very easy to implement, and you're going to get fast targeted buyer traffic right here to your digital affiliate offers. Go and earn a lot of money right here. So be sure to pay very close attention right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this method properly and maximize sales results with this free traffic method right here. So that's, guys, if you are new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos that can go and help you to start making some extra money online on Digistore24 and on Clickbank. So I post new videos every day. I can go and use and earn some extra money online, and most of the methods are free. I can go and take these methods and use it on Digistore24 as well and earn a lot of money very fast online. And that's, guys, also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money consistently online. Be sure to click the first in the description. I'm going to show you guys the method I'm using to make money consistently online that many people are using, and they're already making money online. So you can go and use this method on Digistore24 products and on Clickbank as well. So that's, guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do on Digistore24 and start earning some extra money very fast online. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get on with this tutorial. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and start promoting these affiliate products on Digistore24 and earning some money. So what you're going to do is once I've signed up for a free account, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on marketplace right here. You're going to find a lot of products on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace that are converting very well right now. You can see this one, Metico. So this product was on Clickbank, but now it's on Digistore24, and as you can see, is the top selling products on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace right here. So you can see right here, you can see sort by rank. So you're going to go and sort by rank. So you're going to go and see the top selling products on the Digistore24 marketplace right here. So if you start, for example, by earnings per sale, it's going to show you the ones that can go and earn the highest amount of money. So you can see this one can go and earn up to $449 plus from promoting this affiliate offer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and sort by rank. So it's going to show you the one that is converting very well right here. So let's click on rank. I'm going to go and promote any of these top selling products. As you can see, Metico is the first one. You can see this one, over 9 million here, is also selling very well right now. You can go and earn a lot of money from promoting these products on this marketplace right here. So you're going to do for me is I'm going to choose one product that's converting very well. I'm going to go and use it with this 100% free traffic method I'm going to show you right here. Go and use it and make a lot of money. So for example, we're just going to go and promote this particular product, Metico, $150 per. So you can see you're going to earn up to 5% commissions right here. So you can go to affiliate tools area. So let's go to the affiliate tools area. I can go and find a lot more tools I can go and use and promote these products very easily. So you can see this is the affiliate tools area. I can see a lot more tools I can go and use and promote this offer from here. So you can see right here, you can see the email service I can go and use and promote this offer easily right here. So you can see there are also advanced options I can go and use and promote this offer right here. So you can also go to the website and see this particular product right here. So let's go to the website and let's see a speech of this product right here. So you're going to do from here is I'm going to go and promote this offer right here for this free traffic source I'm going to be showing you guys. And this is a physical product, and they also convert very well even on Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to promote it right here, and this is a weight loss product right here. So we're going to promote it with this free traffic method I'm going to show you guys right. So be sure to pay very close attention and take action on this method, and you can go and make a lot of money on Digistore24 with this method right here. So to go to a sales page as well, you can also click right here. You can see click on sales page. You can also go to a sales page by clicking from right here, or go to the affiliate tools area by clicking from right here. So we're going to go and promote this with 100% free traffic. So let's go and promote this product. What you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and click on promote now. So you click on promote now, it's going to give you your affiliate link. So let me go back to my account. If I click right here on promote now, you can see right here, this is my affiliate link right here. So you want to go and promote any product on the affiliate marketplace, you're just going to go and click on promote now. You're going to see that it's going to give you your affiliate link right here. So for example, I'm just going to go and copy my affiliate link. So let me just copy this, and this is going to be my Digistore affiliate link right here. So let me just click on copy. And as guys, I'm just going to go and promote this affiliate link, and when somebody buys through this link, I'm going to get a commission on Digistore24. So I'm just going to copy the link, and I can go and shorten, for example, on Bitly. So let's go to Bitly. I'm going to paste the URL right here and click on shorten. And as guys, I'm going to go and get a short link to promote my affiliate offer right here. So what you're going to do for me next, you're going to go to Google and you're going to go and create a Gmail account. So you need a free Gmail account with this method I'm going to show you guys right here. So what you're going to do is, once I've created a new Gmail account, you're going to go and click on settings. So go and click on settings. I'm going to go and click on see all settings right here. So once you click on see all settings, it's going to give you a lot more settings on Gmail. So if you scroll right down here, so let's scroll right down here, you're going to go and click right here. So let's scroll right at the bottom. You're going to go and see right here, vacation mode right here. You can see vacation responder. You're going to click on vacation responder on. So on default it's going to be vacation responder off. You're going to click on vacation responder on right here. So be sure to pay close attention right here. So you're going to go write a subject email right here, and I'm going to write a simple email with a link back to your affiliate offer. So be sure to pay attention, because I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do to get a lot of targeted traffic and make a lot of sales with this method right here. So you're just going to write a simple subject line, for example, secret to losing weight fast. And that's guys, that can be your subject line. You're going to write a simple message from here. I can go and link back to your affiliate offer. So let me just show you guys an example message that I wrote right here. So consider here. So let me just copy this and let me paste right here. I can go and use this simple message right here. So I'm going to be promoting your affiliate offer in this email right here. So let me just paste right here. You can see right here, this is a very simple message I wrote right here. So this is a simple 7-second daily ritual that was tested with a group of volunteers. So this is a weight loss product I'm promoting right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to write a very simple message like this. I'm going to go and be linked back to your affiliate offer. So this is going to be your affiliate offer right here. So anybody that's going to read this email is going to sell them on the affiliate offer that you're going to be promoting, and it's going to ask them to go back to your affiliate offer. So once I write a simple message like this, what you're going to do is that you're just going to go and click on save changes. It's going to be safe. And what you're going to do is that anybody that's going to send an email to this new email address that you have just created is going to automatically have this email sent to their inbox promoting your affiliate offer. So let me show you guys where you're going to go and promote your affiliate offer from here. What you're going to do is you're going to be using your new email address to go and promote your affiliate offer right here. So what you're going to do is that we're going to go to this website. It's called Quora.com, and so if you go to similar way, you're going to see that this website is getting up to 400 million plus visitors per month. You can see right here, majority of the traffic is from the United States, and you can get a lot of targeted traffic from here with this method I'm going to show you guys. So be sure to pay very close attention. I can go and make a lot of sales from using this website right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and look for weight loss questions, and you're going to go and answer them with a very detailed answer, and it's going to be copy and paste as I'm going to show you guys right here. So you're just going to search for questions, for example, how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight. So let me just, for example, how to lose weight, and click on search. So let me click on search right here. It's going to show you a lot of different questions that many people have asked on how to lose weight fast on this website right here. You can see there are a lot of questions. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and scroll right down here. You're going to go and look for example, you're going to go and click, for example, past hour, past day, or past week. So it's going to show you the recent questions that people have asked on this website right here. So let me just have example on past day. It's going to show me recent questions on this particular topic that I can go and answer. I can go and be at the top of the answers. I can go and get a lot of targeted free traffic from this website right here. So you can see right here, how many days should I fast to lose weight? So you can see this one, does drinking more water help to lose weight? And how much should you drink? So you can see this one, how do I lose weight overnight with water? So what I can do from here is I can just go and answer this question right. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic right. So you can see right here, this one has only 2 answers. So let's open this one. And you can go and check this answer. You can go and answer it, and I'm going to show you guys how I can just go and copy and paste this type of answers and be at the top and get a lot of targeted traffic from here. So you can see right here, there's only 2 answers right here, and they're very short answers, which means I can go and provide a detailed answer. I can be at the top of this answer right here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to go and provide a very detailed answer right here. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm going to do. So what I can do from here is I can just go and click, for example, how do I lose weight overnight with water? So let me just copy this. You're going to copy this question right here. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to go and type Google Translate. So to type Google Translate, you can just go and input this right here. So let's paste this right here. Google Translate, and this English. I can go and translate it to another language. So let me choose another language from here. So for example, I'm just going to go and choose French. So let me just type French, and I can just go and translate it to French. So you can see right here, it's going to translate it to French on how you can go and lose weight overnight with water. So I'm just going to go and copy this. I'm just going to go back to Google, and I'm just going to go and search this on Google. So I'm just paste this right here in French, and it's going to go and look for an article that is going to answer this question in French. So let's open this one right here. We're going to open this first one. I'm going to see this is a very detailed answer that someone has already answered on this website. And from here, I'm going to see a Google Translate icon at the top left. So let me show you guys. So you can see right here, there's going to be a very small Google Translate icon right here. So you're going to click on that. I'm going to see right here, translate to English. And as guys going to translate to English, I can go and use this article and answer that questions very easily, guys. So you can see has already translated this to English right here. So you can see right here, can water help lose weight? I can see there's a very detailed answer right here. I can just go and copy this. I can just go and paste on Quora. I'm not going to have any copyright problems, and people are going to overrule your answer because you're giving a detailed answer. I can go and promote your affiliate offer in the description. I can go and get a lot of traffic and sales from this website right here. So this is what you're going to do to answer this question. What you can do from here is that you can just go and copy this. You can see right here, you're just going to copy this, and you're going to use this as your answer on Quora.com. So let me just copy this. I'm just going to go and click on answer. So from here, you're going to go and click on answer. I'm going to go and write a detailed answer right here. So just input this right here. You're going to go and copy the next one. I can also go and input images if you want to input images right here. So let me just copy this one. We're just going to go and copy this, and I'm going to go and paste this on this website right here. So let's paste this, and let's go and copy the last part of this answer right here. So let's copy all of this. And as you guys can just go and copy all of this, I can just go and paste it on Quora.com as your answer, and you're going to go and remove all these links. So make sure that you're going to go and remove all these links from Quora.com. So let me go right down. Let me paste this last one. I'm going to go and click on this link. I'm going to go and remove these links right here. So let's click on this link right here. So let me just change this. So click on this link, and you're going to go and unlink. So go up and click on unlink. I'm going to go and remove that link. So you're going to go to the next one. You can see this one, drinking water. You're going to go and remove that link as well. So remove all these links from this answer, and make sure that there's no other links inside here. So for example, I'm just going to go and take time and remove all these links from here. So that's guys, so I just went ahead and remove all the links. You want to make sure that your article doesn't have any links, because most of the times links are going to get blocked on Quora.com. So you're going to do is you're going to go and add a lot more images. You can go and add some images so your answer can go and stand out from the crowd on this website right here. So for example, I'm just going to leave it like this, and what you're going to do is that at the end of this article, you're going to leave a call to action. So right here at the end, you're going to leave a call to action promoting your affiliate offer. So you're going to write a simple call to action, for example. So that's guys, so I went ahead and wrote a very simple call to action right here. So if you want to lose weight fast with a proven method that has helped thousands of people already, shoot me an email at, and this is going to be your email address that we went and created this autoresponder message right here. So you're going to want to link people back to your email address, because when they send an email to that email, it's going to send them this autoresponder message promoting your affiliate offer right here. I'm going to go and get a lot of emails from Quora.com. So what I want to do from here is I want to go and make sure that this is not going to be a link. So you can just go and write ABCD. This is going to be your email address. So you're just going to write, for example, ABCD a Gmail, and you're going to go and remove this.com. So you're going to go and make a space right here. So it is not going to be a link, and links are going to get blocked from this website. So you want to go and make sure there's a space from here. So anybody that's interested in lose weight, many of them are going to go and send you a message because they have seen that you have provided a long answer right, and this is a very detailed answer, which means that you are very knowledgeable on that subject, and many people are more likely to go and buy your affiliate offer because they have seen that you have provided a lot of knowledge on this particular answer right here, which means that you know about this topic, and that's going to go and help to convert this product very easily right here. So you're going to go and make a space right here, so this is not going to be like a link. So you're going to do from here next, you're going to go and click on submit, and that's it. Your answer is going to be submitted on this website. I can get a lot of targeted traffic, guys. If you're going to follow this method I've shown you guys, you can go and make a lot of sales on Digistore24. So let's go and make sure that you have Digistore24 affiliate link right here. So when they get the autoresponder message, you're going to have a link back to your affiliate offer. I can go and make a lot of sales from here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to answer a lot of these different questions using the method I've shown you guys. And the more questions that answer on this website, the more traffic you're going to get, and the more sales you're going to get using this method I've shown you guys right here. So you can see right here that many of these questions are asked every day on this website. You can see many of them doesn't have any answers. I can go and answer this. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic from this website. I can go and make a lot of money. So this is the first website I used to make my first sale on ClickBank as well, and I'm still making money from this website, and many people are making money from this website every day. So that's a simple method you can go and use and make a lot of money from Digistore24 using 100% free traffic on complete autopilot. Because once you have set up this autoresponder email, anytime that somebody emails you, it's going to send them this message on complete autopilot, and you're going to be making sales on 100% autopilot right here. So that's guys, so far on this video. Be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So that's guys, be sure to take action on this method and start getting some sales. And that's it guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.